good afternoon. It's me, Joy.
And San Marca.
And today, for today's vlog, we're going to a flea market here in Zabil Park, Karama. And we're going to sell our items. If you can see, our car is full of things. Yes, so there are things that we don't need, and there are things that you know, it's small to us and we rarely use already, so might as well sell them. Yes! So we're on the way. See you guys there. Guys, time check, it's 1:46 p.m. and kailangan namin makarating doon na ng at least 2 p.m. Pero ang start ng flea market, it will be from 4 p.m. until 10 p.m. So, let's go! Sobrang init na sa Dubai, guys, as in, especially this time.
44.
It's, 44 degrees Celsius. It's gonna be very, very hot in the more days to come. So, actually ngayon, kailangan lang namin talagang pumunta na maaga kasi nga, magbebenta kami. But, in the normal days, we don't recommend going out this time because it's very hot. Stay hydrated! This is the biggest frame in the world.
Wow!
Dubai frame. Guys, pila muna for registration. Guys, we're here. Anong number natin? Dito na kami malapit sa Dubai frame. Mag-ayos lang kami. I'm with Desiree.
193.
Okay. Guys, sobrang init. Siguro mas nakakapagod yung init kesa dun sa mag-a-arrange ka. Hindi siya recommended pag summer na. Yan, medyo lumililim na po. Guys, grabe, sobrang wasted na. Grabe, sobrang babad. So guys, update. It's 7:20 at medyo kalma na, pero bagsak presyo na tayo kasi hanggang 10 p.m. lang dito.
Kita mag-CR?
So, that's it for today. My God, guys! We didn't expect. Sobrang init, nakakapagod. But we survived. I think this is the first and the last na gagawin ko. But anyway, may kita naman ng konti.
Wow!
So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. See you guys on our next vlog.